India, India, India. For some people, when they hear this word, they think of chaos, they think of dirt, and the food that might just send you to the shitter. And I mean, there's a good reason for that. Literally, right behind me, there's a restaurant and there's a public urinal, so people in the restaurant smell piss. But today, I want to change your opinion.
And to change your opinion, I need to show you the real side of Indian food. The stories, the flavors, the 100-year-old recipes cooked in alleyways and passed down through generations. So today, I'm taking you on a food tour through Old Delhi, one of the most flavorful, intense and misunderstood food capitals on the planet. And we're starting with Jalebi Rabri, an iconic sweet from the Indian subcontinent. There's no line here. Lines are a Western concept. In India, the most insistent person wins. So forget manners, just shove your money in the vendor's face and hope for the best.
Okay, at least there's some left. Got lucky. Thought all of them gonna be stolen away. This is the rabri, this is the milk that goes on top. Previously, only royals would eat this. Bro, no way. Bro, no way. Oh my god. So it's basically fried dough glazed in sugar. It's all warm, it's all crispy, and this cream is basically like sweetened curd. It's an insane combination. Insane combination. Wow. I can see why they're sold out in a second. Oh my god. This was one of the most delicious desserts I ever had in my life. Now I just have to throw it away. But as usual, in India you can just throw everything on the ground. Like the people do, you know? Why would I throw it in the trash bin when everyone just throws it on the ground? Huh? No, thank you. No, thank you, bro. No, thank you, bro. This is one of the most annoying things what happens in India, is that you just have these random dudes like coming up to you. No, bro, I don't need it. No, bro. I never seen that before. Like, they just stick to you like a gum. No, bro. No, bro. No. And you have to literally shout at them or like say something angrily if you want to get rid of them.
Next up, Dahi Bhalla, soft lentil dumplings drowned in yogurt. Again, no line, you just go in, give your money, and you get your food.
Everyone's just eating standing up, but I need to place my camera somewhere. Alright, so Dahi Bhalla, look at that. It's basically fried lentils covered with yogurt and chutney. I can see some pomegranate as well to give it from some sweetness. Okay, so I actually thought it's gonna be like a snack, but not like a sweet snack. But you actually can taste a lot of sweetness from the yogurt, and you also get spiciness from the chutney, so that's a super awkward combination for me, though. It's like a little dessert. I mean, it's nice, but I think you would have to get used to this. It's definitely worth a try. I'm pretty sure there will be people who would like this. Destroyed. Everywhere you go here, you can find like various kind of snacks. This is basically a heaven for a foodie. Wow, you can easily get lost in the streets of Old Delhi. Everything's super colorful.
And now we're going for the legendary Indian snack, the so-called Masala bomb, Kachori, that has been made in this little corner since 1971. You have fried crunch dough served with potato curry with lots of chili.
Get a little spoon. Ya kitne? Kya hai? 30. The Kachori, one of the most famous snacks here in India and Delhi. A must try, definitely when you're in India. So basically it's fried dough with a curry type of sauce. You have potatoes. It has quite a kick to it. It's quite spicy. So if you don't like spicy, don't ask for the chili peppers, but it's quite spicy, flavorful, a lot of herbs. This is one, it's very nice. Warm, hearty, crunchy. I mean, this is what you need for a perfect snack, right? And you can eat this in the streets of Old Delhi. I mean, you know how many generations and how many people have passed here, how many empires have been here. It's really an authentic place to try all this food. I love this one. 10 out of 10 for this one. As you can see, I licked it thoroughly. This is so good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Very delicious. Bahut swadisht. Bahut swadisht. Very good. Thank you.
Walking through Old Delhi, your eyes are gonna get caught up into all kinds of foods and snacks. And I just saw this.
What is this?
It is a lassi.
Lachi. Oh, can I get 1 cup?
100 rupees.
100 rupees? Okay.
Only one piece always.
Okay, let's try some lachi. Wow, and this is curd? Wow, okay. Wow, super cold. Let's give it a try. Wow, it's super thick, yogurty-like texture, super sweet as well. Wow, I would love to be a little bit colder. Very nice, very good. Bahut Swadish. Bahut Swadish. I learned a new phrase, I'm gonna use it now. Bahut Swadish. Oh, and you also have like a little curd that he put inside in the middle. Wow, this is super good. Try this one as well. A bomb of calories. Yeah, I want to go. No, I want.
The spice market.
Okay, you're the touristy bullshit guy. I don't want you. Jama Majid, not you, bro, not you. Jama Majid. No, I don't like you. I don't like you, bro. I don't like you, so I'm not gonna go with you. I'm gonna go with someone I like. I like this guy with a scarf. Hey, Jama Majid, kitne rupi?
150.
120.
150.
120.
Please come sit.
120? 120?
Come here,
Okay.
okay, sit down.
Okay, I chose you. He helped me get the price down though. I didn't like that guy. I'm not gonna go with someone I don't like. He started like, spice. We're changing the league. We're now going for the big boys. We've been doing snacks now. We're stepping a little bit up. We're going for some kebab. 50 more.
Tip, 50 tip.
No
50
tip. No tip.
50 tip. Tip.
No.
Yeah, very
No.
much. No petrol, no diesel, hard working. Very much hard work. 300. 300.
Jama Masjid. Imagine the cultural diversity here in India. While driving right here, we passed a Sikh temple, we passed a Hindu temple. Pretty sure there was a church somewhere in between, and now we have the Muslim masjid. But we're not here for that. It's quite beautiful for admire. Today we're here for food, so I'm going for a kebab. But actually I'm quite interested how it looks, so I want to see. Right, here we go, Aslam Chicken. Apparently you can try some really good butter chicken right here. Can I get butter chicken? Look at that, that's the butter chicken. It's quite interesting. Usually when I would eat it in the West, it would be covered with this brown, buttery, very, very thick sauce. And here you can see just a little bit of that and a lot of like oil and stuff, a lot of butter. Rip a little bit of bread. So the bread is actually cold, removes the taste when it's cold. Look at how oily and buttery it is. Damn. Okay, yeah, it's a lot better without the bread. Super greasy, super oily. The sauce is actually yogurt based sauce because I can taste the yogurt. I thought it was gonna be a lot better. It's not as special as I thought. It's their local drink that they drink on the street. Water, lime, fizzy, and salt. I don't know why they put salt. The butter chicken is actually nice, but it's not too. It's like a little bit cold actually. Like it's not being cooked like freshly. That's my video. I heard from the sound. I knew it was my video on Instagram. But yeah, it's actually super good. But it wasn't warm enough. Okay, it's tip for you, bro. For you. Thank you. All right, and last up we have ABDUL GHANI, 5-time world kebab champions. I just totally made that up, but supposedly it's super delicious. Hello, how are you? How are you? Can I get some kebab? Yeah? What's your best recommendation? See kebab? Okay, can I get one of that? Okay, I got a little bit in line, no worries. No one's mad. I'm a foreigner, I have no idea what I'm doing. See, as you can see, the line is here. The kebab place looks just amazing. You have already cooked kebabs here. Some of them being cooked right here as well. Egg Sikh kebab? Yeah, kebab. Just one plate. Eat here, yeah? Okay, yeah. Okay, so the kebab place is down there, but you have to go through this little alleyway to get to the tables, I guess. Have a nice interior design, some carpets on the wall. Soviet style. Hello, how are you? Just pick it. And then Kinza Cola. Some Indian cola, guys. Kinza Cola. It's for me? Okay, perfect. Wow, look at that. Wow, this looks amazing. Dripping in oil. Super wet and damp. The only thing I need is to get some cutlery, I guess. Just I eat it with hands, maybe. Oh, it tastes almost like Pepsi, actually. Literally Pepsi. Can I have cutlery? Yeah. Relax, relax. I'm relaxed. So you get some bread, and you get the kebab, like a piece of turd. Okay, so it's not disappointing. It's not dry. It's super wet. Herbs, spices. Not too spicy, but it has some spice as well. I think there's even like onions. You know, some kebabs are just like so dry that it's impossible to eat. But this one is the perfect consistency. Damn, this is actually fire. Can I get parcel? I can finish this. I'm gonna take it for takeaway. It's a good place. You come here often? No? No English? Chota chota? Tora tora? Me tora tora Hindi. Three days. Too much. I don't understand, bro. Go, yeah. You? Wife? How many? Wife? One wife? Two wife? Nice, bro. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be, bro. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, bro. Bahutaman. Mahumat. Amir. Okay. मेरा नाम मद है. Matt. Yeah.
He's also from UAE.
UAE. Okay. You just came here for work? Yeah. You're
Actually, my family from here.
Oh, really? So you're
From India.
originally from India, but how many generation you live in UAE?
Not a single generation.
Only one generation. Why did you come back?
Actually, this restaurant is my brother-in-law.
Ah, your brother-in-law.
Yeah, so
Oh,
that's why I
okay.
came here to work.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, bro. Have a great day. Okay, I'm giving away this lady a kebab and she's not happy. Be happy with a kebab. Why you don't want the kebab? Okay. Oh, why are you not happy with a kebab? I gave you a kebab, bro. It's 2-piece kebab. Either way, I don't know if I changed your opinion on Indian food. I changed mine. It was super delicious. Hope you enjoyed this episode and see you next time.